Ever wondered about the health benefits of the herb savory? Well, let's embark on a flavor-filled journey to explore the herbaceous wonder of savory. This versatile herb, with its rich origins spanning across diverse cuisines worldwide, is a culinary treasure. From its robust, peppery flavor to its distinct aromatic qualities, savory is a delight to the senses. But this herb isn't just about tantalizing your taste buds. Beyond its culinary marvel, savory is a veritable powerhouse of health benefits. And that's just the beginning. The robust flavor of savory hides a treasure trove of health benefits. This versatile herb is not just a kitchen staple for its rich, peppery taste, but also a gem in the wellness world. Let's start with digestion. Savory is known to aid digestion, ease bloating, and promote a healthy gut. So next time you're feeling a little uneasy after a hearty meal, a sprinkle of savory might just do the trick. But wait, there's more. Savory also boasts antimicrobial properties. The compounds in this herb help fight off harmful bacteria, keeping your body in balance and your immune system in top shape. And let's not forget about antioxidants. Savory is packed with these powerful compounds that protect our cells from damage and support overall health. Feeling a bit inflamed? The anti-inflammatory properties of savory can come to your rescue, helping to reduce inflammation in your body. For centuries, savory has been used in traditional medicine to promote respiratory health and ease symptoms of coughs and colds. So, when the sniffles hit, consider reaching for this herb. Some studies even suggest that savory may have benefits for heart health, such as lowering cholesterol levels. Need a boost for your bones? Savory is rich in essential nutrients like calcium and magnesium, which contribute to bone health and strength. And for those mindful of their weight, incorporating savory into meals can add flavor without extra calories, aiding in weight management. In conclusion, a sprinkle of savory in your meals can do wonders for your health. From your gut to your bones, this herb has got you covered. Savory is a versatile herb that can elevate your dishes. Its robust flavor makes it a favorite in soups, stews, sauces, and meat dishes. The aroma of savory as it sizzles in your pan can transform an everyday meal into a gourmet feast. But the magic doesn't stop there. With 0 extra calories, savory is a great ally in weight management. It adds a punch of flavor, keeping your taste buds satisfied while your waistline stays in check. Adding savory to your kitchen repertoire can introduce a world of flavors and health benefits. Growing savory at home is an easy and rewarding endeavor. This hardy herb thrives in well-drained soil under full sun and requires moderate watering. Once the plant matures, pluck off the leaves gently for immediate use. To store fresh savory, wrap it in a damp paper towel and refrigerate. If you wish to dry it, simply spread the leaves out in a cool, dark place. With savory in your garden or pantry, you'll always have a handy herb to enhance your dishes and boost your health.